Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is the first of the month, and the first of the month means a new club set. And I'm really excited about this club set because it is very, very versatile. You are going to find yourself grabbing it over and over and over again. Now, 99% of the time, our club sets are always very versatile. They're very general in theme because they need to appeal to as many people as possible. But Christmas, you know, when we do Christmas, it's a little bit more Christmassy, but this one is going to be one of those ones you go to over and over and over again. Are you ready? I love this one. It is called Birdhouses to Stamp, and the words on it are Happy Bird Day, Thinking of You, Just a Note, Hello There, and then you have all of these options for different houses. Now, this right here, I envisioned it to be like the post that you put your birdhouse on, but it could also be, if you turn it this way, a branch. Okay, so that's up to you. Now, there's this cute little house here with the little heart. There's this one with the shiplap on it. This one has a wider shiplap on it. This one has a fun little roof. And of course, die-hard members, your dies are right here. Now, there's a lot of dies in here. Don't tell Ken I went a little bit over my budget on this one, but you know what? It's okay. But, so we have this one here, so that's a set of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Is that right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. 16 dies. Now, there's a couple dies that you don't have stamps for. For example, you get one little birdie. Well, this has 2 little birdies. Now, let me just give you a little sneak peek. The other birdie stamp is in another set if you want it, and you'll have to stay tuned for that. The little bow I thought would be so fun if you wanted to have like a little bow at the top of one of these little birdhouses. And then the little fence, because I wanted you to have a little tiny fence to be able to, you know, put on your little birdhouse. Now, club members, yours are already in their mail to you. Now, January 1st is a holiday, right? First day of the new year. So it's not actually going to move on January 1st, but Ken's already mailed them. literally, I get a little nervous. I pray a lot when he leaves January 1st because he leaves like literally at 1 a.m. in the morning, January 1st, to start mailing these. And I'm like, oh gosh, I hope there's no partiers out there still partying. But he's out there, he's delivered them, they're out there. You are going to get these as soon as possible. We always like to get them as soon as possible to you because they're so much fun. Now, I have lots of fun samples. Now, Stamp Club members are getting the stamp set. Die-hard members are getting the same stamps and the dies that match. We also give you a handy-dandy little idea card. There's also an idea gallery on our website, so go check that out as well. Now, let me share with you all of our fun samples. So I have this one that includes the wreath that we used to have as a club set. Also, you'll notice something here, and I'm not going to even talk about that yet, but that's a sneak peek, just saying. Here's another fun one. This one's using just the dies, so you can mix and match. You don't always have to stamp if you don't want to. You can just do the dies if you want. So that's up to you. Oh, here's a cute one. See, there's one as an example of as a branch. So you get to decide how you want that to be. Oh, here's one with our fence die. I love that fence die. It's so much fun. Oh, and then our pine cone leaves. Oh, our pine needles. I guess they're needles. Oh, here's a cute one. A winter scene. I love that one. That's one of our older stamp sets, which is nice. I love, love, love when I see samples using our older stamp sets that you might not even recognize because you probably haven't and you haven't used it in a long time. Go check that one out. Oh, here's a gorgeous one with our snowflake background. I love the colors on this one. Just a different, like this is Pixie and what's our purple color name? Grape. Oh my gosh. Luckily, I only have 2 kids. I just have to remember 2 kids' names. Okay, well, but 2 grandkids coming soon. I only got to remember more names. Luckily, I remember Ken's name. Okay, look at this one. Lots of definition here using our foam tape. Foam tape, but foam, adhesive foam, and little pieces. You just cut them up, and you can use that to pop those babies up. Here's another one with a fun grid. I love that one. Here's one all colored. This one looks like it was colored with colored pencils. And here's another cute one. You are so tweet. I love that. Now, club members, again, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you need to join because you're missing out. And Have you seen our new website? We have a brand new website. Now, when you log in, club members, you need to log in and the computer is going to show you two different icons up at the top. If you're on your desktop, if you're on your mobile phone, it's going to show the icons on the videos page. Okay, go to the videos page. But you're going to see two icons. You're going to see one icon that says what club you're in. You're going to see another icon that shows you what discount you are getting off of our website. If you do not get those two, you need to email us, but you need to be logged in. Okay, log in, you'll see those two, and you'll go, yes, they know I'm a club member. You can go order, buy whatever you want. And we have a new thing, and I haven't even talked about this yet on a video or anything. We now have for our club members an added benefit that we have not even talked about before that is exclusive to our club members. If you cancel the club, you lose this benefit. Club points. You are now going to be earning club points for your purchases, which is very exciting because then you'll be able to use those club points to purchase things on our website. I know, it just gets better and better. Our club is the best in town. Go check it out. The club's only $11.95 a month, and that includes discounts, that includes freebies, it includes club points, and a stamp set. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.